Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying, from gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. Introducing the Anker laptop power bank, a powerhouse in your backpack, designed specifically to keep your devices alive no matter where you are. Unlike ordinary power banks made just for phones, this one packs serious performance, delivering up to 65 watts of USB-C output. That's strong enough to charge most modern laptops, including MacBooks, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, and Lenovo ThinkPads. And it's not just for laptops. You can also charge your smartphone, tablet, earbuds, or any USB-powered device. It's like carrying a portable wall outlet with you, without the actual wall. The Anker laptop power bank houses a massive 20,000 mAh battery, giving you enough juice to recharge a laptop once or even twice, and smaller devices multiple times. Yet, it remains surprisingly slim, lightweight, and easy to carry, ideal for travel, remote work, or even long commutes. The Tile Starter Pack is a bundle of Bluetooth trackers that help you keep tabs on your most important belongings. Whether it's your house keys, your backpack, or your remote control, Tile helps you find them instantly using your smartphone. The starter pack typically includes a mix of Tile Mate, Tile Slim, and sometimes even Tile Sticker, each designed for specific use cases. The Mate is perfect for keychains or bags. The Slim fits easily inside your wallet or notebook, and the sticker can be attached to remotes, cameras, or even pet collars. This USB hub takes a single USB port on your computer and instantly expands it into 4 high-speed USB 3.0 ports. That means more room for your accessories, your backup drives, your phone charger, or anything else you need to plug in. And with 5 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, you're not just getting extra ports, you're getting blazing fast performance. Transfer a full HD movie in seconds, back up large photo libraries quickly, or run multiple devices without lag or slowdown. The JBL Go 4 is its ultra-portable design. It's incredibly lightweight, fits easily into your bag or even your pocket, and comes with a loop for easy hanging or carrying. The build quality is just what you'd expect from JBL: rugged, durable, and made to withstand your everyday adventures. And yes, it's IP67 waterproof and dustproof, which means you can take it to the beach, the pool, or even on a hike, without worrying about damage. Battery life is another strong point. The JBL Go 4 gives you up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge, enough to cover an entire day's worth of music, podcasts, or audio calls. It charges via USB-C, which is a nice upgrade from older models, and the pairing process is fast and seamless thanks to Bluetooth 5.3. Plus, if you have multiple JBL speakers, you can link them together for a fuller, stereo sound experience using Party Boost. The Apple AirTag 4-pack is perfect for families or individuals who want to secure multiple valuable items at once. Battery life is excellent. Each tag uses a standard CR2032 coin battery that lasts over a year and is easily replaceable. It's also IP67 water and dust resistant, so daily wear, spills, or even a drop in the rain won't affect its performance. And of course, privacy is a top priority. Apple built AirTags with features like unwanted tracking alerts, audible notifications if an AirTag is following someone unknowingly, and fully encrypted communication, meaning even Apple can't see where your items are.